Hello everyone, today we have FireBoltt Supreme smartwatch with 1.79 inch full touch LTPS Retina display. So let's unbox and see. It came from Amazon today, just now it arrived, and this I got for around 3,790 rupees. Let's unbox and see what's inside the box. Okay, we have the watch. Okay, let me take it outside. Let's remove the sticker. Okay, display looks very good. Okay, let's keep the watch aside. Okay, let's remove this box. Oh, this is not a box. Let's remove this. And you find the silica gel. You have a manual here. It's in English. Let's keep it aside for now. We have a card for registration of warranty. There is a USB charging cable, and we have some pins for strap replacement. Okay, and there are a few more cards on Ghana subscription. We have the C5 premium subscription and a card from Bolt itself for the scan and I think to install the app. That's all we have in the box. So the watch has the model number of FireBoltt Supreme is BSW018. Let's turn on the watch and see. Okay, I'm just pressing the button. Okay, just turned on. Okay, we have the setup screen. I can see English and I can scroll up and down for other languages. Let's select English. And we have a UI. Okay, we have two UIs for this watch. One, if you swipe to the right, you can see this UI, and if you go to the left, you can see the other UI, and you can scroll up and down. Using the watch crown, you can go up and down. Or you can use the touch screen. So this UI is pretty fluidic, but I feel some lag. Let's go back to the other one. This scrolls better than the other one. I think the other one has a lot of icons there. Okay, let's see the back side of this watch. You have to remove this protective covering, and you can see the charging ports here. Let's remove this protective plastic. There you have the sensors. I think let's use some other watch face to see if the colors are better. Before going to other watch details, let's see how to pair this watch. So you have to go to this screen, select the QR code, scan it using any app which you have on your phone to scan QR codes. So with this you will get a link to FitCloud Pro app. I think I have seen other FireBoltt watches using the Fit app, but this one looks to be different. Maybe I'm not sure whether you can use the other app, but if you scan this barcode, you will get a link to FitCloud Pro app, and you can install and connect the watch. Once you're connected, time will be synchronized, and you will get all the health details synced to FitCloud Pro. I also found that FitCloud Pro can connect to Google Fit, which is good. It can sync, I think, heart rate data to Google Fit. So now if you slide down, you will get the system options, and this watch came with 80% battery. And if you slide up, you will get the notifications page. Let's walk through the menu options of FireBoltt Supreme. So the first icon, I think it shows a summary of your exercise activity. So I had set the goals on the app and it has synchronized that. 3.5 kilometers. Let's go back. Yeah, let's right left. I find it easy to use this menu. You have messages. You have, I'm not sure what this is, sleep time. The heart rate. So it's showing you're not wearing a watch. This is the SpO2. And you have the blood pressure monitoring. See, the sensor is working. Let's wait for a couple of seconds to see if it shows up any values. Looks like it is able to detect if it's on hand or placed on a surface. At least for the heart rate, it was showing a message here that you're not wearing a watch. And this is the summary. If you slide up, you can see the summary. Okay, let's go back. After BP, you have, I think this is weather. Yep, you can see Sunday, 10:10. And you have stopwatch, timer. Okay, you have multiple timers. Okay, that's good. The next menu, I think I skipped. No. Okay, here you go. Next menu. This is the exercise mode. There are many. Yep. Okay, let's go to music control. And you have the QR code. Okay, here you can select the watch face. Okay, I think I need to download more. Let's try this. Yeah, it looks neat. And the bezels are, like you can see here, bezels are not completely gone, but you can still see some bezels, but it's okay, not too bad. The top bezels are less. Okay, it's not too bad still. Let's go back to the menu. This is the brightness level for the watch. You can just slide it to set, I suppose. Yeah. Let's see what this is. Okay, screen time, I can set it to more time, maybe 25 seconds. Okay, for this video at least. Let's see what this is. This is turn wrist wait time, 2 seconds to 6 seconds. Okay, and you have the language, and this is the information, watch information. Okay, that's all the menu items. If you come here, I think you can use the watch crown also to, I mean, in both the menus you can use the watch crown to navigate. So let's see. Okay, it does navigate, and yeah, it's okay, not bad. For those who want to directly go and download from Google Play, this is the app Fit Cloud Pro. You can see the icon and the screenshots here. This is the USB charging cable. It's not very strong, but it's okay. It's not drawing high current, and it is mentioned that you don't use this on fast chargers. Use only charge the watch using normal USB charging, or you can connect to your laptop or standard charger which does not supply too high voltage or current. So please make sure you don't use this watch with fast charging. Okay, this is how FireBoltt Supreme looks on my hand. It's pretty good. Let me check the wait time function. Maybe I'll keep it idle for some time. So let's see if it works. Yeah. So okay, that setting for 2 seconds is for this. Okay. Okay, it works most of the time. That's good. Let's check if BP monitoring works once I have the watch on my hand. Okay, it's showing up some value. It has measured, I think it is showing slightly lower than my expected BP. Let's check SpO2. Okay, 99%. That's not completed the measurements. Okay, it vibrates on completing. Let's also check the heart rate. Now the watch is showing it is measuring rather than not on hand. Okay, there you have it. Before ending the video, let's look at the box again. So you have the LPS knob button, rotating operation, and on this side of the box, okay, it's a full metal body, 3 atmosphere water resistance, smart notifications, and DIY watch face. You have SPO monitoring, SPO2, heart rate, 20 sports mode, 15 days standby, and kind of 8 days. I think it's if you're using it, you'll get 8 days, and BP monitoring. And let's see, on this cover you have the model number. The MRP is $12,999, and the year of import is 2021. Okay. Okay, you can see the Fit Cloud Pro app link here in QR code. Let's look at the manual. So they have explained about the Fit Cloud Pro. I really like that it has Google Fit integration. It's all the menus that we have looked at. And let's see if there is any specification given. Precautions. Don't see any specs mentioned. It's all about the watch interface. The user manual, there's no specs. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. That's it for this video. Please subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.